10 Best EDC Fixed Blades Knives in 2025. Bark River Mini Bison. The Bark River Mini Bison is a standout for EDC enthusiasts who want a rugged, compact knife with premium craftsmanship. This knife features a 3.75-inch CPM 3V steel blade that excels in toughness and edge retention, perfect for slicing, carving, and general utility. Its classic drop-point design is practical and versatile, offering a broad cutting edge without sacrificing precision. The handle, made from durable micarta, provides a secure and comfortable grip, even in wet conditions. Despite its solid build, the Mini Bison's size makes it surprisingly easy to carry every day. Whether you're camping or just opening boxes, it's a knife that feels just right in your hand and won't quit when the going gets tough. Spyderco Street Beat. Spyderco's Street Beat is an urban warrior designed to handle everyday tasks with ease while being discreet enough for city carry. The 3.6-inch blade is crafted from H1 steel, which is nearly impervious to rust, perfect for those in humid or wet environments. Its Tanto-style blade offers a reinforced tip ideal for piercing tasks and heavy-duty use. The knife's ergonomic G10 handle ensures a firm grip without sacrificing comfort during extended use. Plus, its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry concealed. If you ever needed a blade that's as tough as your daily grind, but doesn't scream tactical, the Street Beat offers exactly that, a blend of stealth, resilience, and urban style. Fallkniven S1. The Fallkniven S1 is a favorite for those who demand military-grade performance in a sleek, compact package. This knife features a 3.6-inch laminated VG10 steel blade renowned for its razor-sharp edge and exceptional corrosion resistance. Designed originally for military and survival use, the S1 delivers unmatched durability and precision cutting in any environment. Its thermoform handle is shaped for a secure grip, giving you control even when wearing gloves or dealing with moisture. Although it's built tough, the knife's slim profile and lightweight design ensure it won't weigh you down. If you want a knife that combines Scandinavian craftsmanship with modern survival utility, the S1 fits the bill perfectly. Benchmade Hidden Canyon Hunter. The Benchmade Hidden Canyon Hunter is a compact fixed blade designed with hunters and outdoor enthusiasts in mind, but shines as an everyday carry blade too. Featuring a 2.67-inch CBM S30V steel blade, it boasts superb edge retention and corrosion resistance, making it suitable for precise skinning and cutting tasks. Its handle, crafted from contoured G10, offers an ergonomic grip that feels secure even in wet or cold conditions. What makes this knife unique is its minimalist design, perfect for users who want a no-fuss, reliable fixed blade that slips easily into pockets or packs. It's a knife that proves good things come in small packages, combining practicality with high performance for your everyday needs. Mcusta Pro Hunt. Mcusta's Pro Hunt is a beautifully crafted fixed blade that appeals to both collectors and everyday users seeking precision and reliability. This knife features a 3.9-inch VG10 steel blade known for excellent sharpness and ease of maintenance. The drop-point blade shape is versatile, making it ideal for everything from food prep to detailed outdoor tasks. What sets the Pro Hunt apart is its elegant handle design, typically made from stabilized wood or micarta, offering both style and a comfortable grip. Despite its refined look, it's built for serious use and holds up well in tough conditions. If you want a fixed blade that marries aesthetics with practical toughness, the Pro Hunt is a knife that stands out beautifully on any EDC setup. Knives FX5. The Knives FX5 is a modern tactical fixed blade engineered for durability and multi-purpose functionality. Its 3.8-inch blade is forged from premium Bowler and 690 steel, renowned for edge retention and corrosion resistance. The drop-point blade design combines strength and precision, suitable for everything from self-defense to survival and everyday tasks. The ergonomic handle, often made from G10 or rubberized material, provides excellent grip security during rigorous use. The FX5's compact size and robust sheath system make it easy to carry, whether clipped to your belt or tucked in your pack. For anyone needing a tough, all-around fixed blade that can handle the pressure, the FX5 delivers a dependable edge every time. Buck Knives Selkirk. The Buck Selkirk is a tried-and-true fixed blade that offers classic hunting knife reliability in a compact form. With a 3.2-inch 420 HC steel blade, it balances good sharpness with easy maintenance, a great option for everyday users who want solid performance without complicated upkeep. The clip-point blade excels at detailed cutting and piercing, making it versatile for outdoor tasks or urban carry. The handle, made of synthetic material, ensures a comfortable grip in all weather conditions. While it doesn't boast the premium steels of some competitors, the Selkirk's affordability and simplicity make it a perfect choice for those entering the world of fixed blades. It's a dependable companion that doesn't try to be flashy but gets the job done well. Ontario Knife Company Rat1. The Ontario Rat1 is a fixed blade that's built for serious utility with a no-nonsense approach. Sporting a 3.5-inch AUS8 stainless steel blade, it's designed to withstand tough cutting, slicing, and piercing tasks common in daily use in survival situations. Its drop-point blade is versatile and balances durability with fine control, ideal for users who want a blade that performs well in diverse environments. The handle features textured G10 scales that offer a secure grip, even when wet or gloved, adding to its tactical appeal. Though it's a bit bulkier compared to minimalist fixed blades, the Rat1's rugged design makes it a favorite for users who prioritize reliability and strength in their everyday knife. Morakniv Garberg. The Morakniv Garberg is a full-tang fixed blade designed for both outdoor survival and everyday carry, combining Scandinavian craftsmanship with exceptional affordability. Its 4.3-inch stainless steel blade is made from Sandvik 14C28N steel, prized for edge retention and corrosion resistance in wet and cold conditions. The Garberg features a robust yet lightweight design, with a handle made of rubberized polymer that ensures a secure grip in all conditions. It also comes with a versatile sheath that allows for multiple carry options, enhancing its practicality. What makes the Garberg stand out is how it balances toughness with ease of carry. Great for users who want a serious survival blade without sacrificing portability or breaking the bank. Extrema Ratio Pugio 2. The Extrema Ratio Pugio 2 is a tactical fixed blade crafted for military and law enforcement professionals who demand uncompromising performance. It boasts a 3.7-inch blade made from high-quality Bowler and 690 steel, delivering a razor-sharp edge that maintains toughness in extreme conditions. Its dagger-style blade design focuses on piercing and defensive utility, ideal for close-quarters combat situations. The handle, made of textured G10, provides excellent grip security even during intense use. While the Pugio 2 is more specialized and aggressive in appearance, it doubles as a reliable EDC blade for those who want a tactical edge. Its blend of military-grade materials and precision design makes it one of the toughest fixed blades available in 2025. Fixed blade knives continue to prove their worth in everyday carry by combining reliability, strength, and precision in compact packages that fit modern lifestyles. From the rugged craftsmanship of Bark River to the tactical edge of Extrema Ratio, these 10 knives cover a wide range of uses and preferences, ensuring there's something for every EDC enthusiast. Which knife fits your everyday needs best? Drop your thoughts and favorite picks in the comments below. And if this guide helped you navigate the fixed blade landscape, please like, subscribe, and share with your fellow knife lovers. Stay sharp, stay prepared, and carry responsibly.